The Secret Garden of Dreams, a short moral story. Emma loved to daydream. Every night, she imagined a magical place filled with glowing flowers, singing trees, and a silver pond that reflected the stars. One evening, as she wandered near her backyard, she found a tiny, hidden door covered in vines. Curious, she pushed it open and gasped. She had stepped into the very garden from her dreams. Fireflies danced like floating lanterns, rainbow-colored flowers bloomed, and a gentle breeze whispered, "Welcome, dreamer." Emma explored joyfully but noticed something strange. Some plants looked dull, as if they were fading. A tiny voice called out, "Only a kind heart can make the garden bloom forever." Emma thought for a moment, then knelt down and gently watered the drooping flowers with her hands. As she did, the garden burst into color, brighter than ever before. The next morning, she woke up in her bed, wondering if it had all been a dream. But on her windowsill sat a glowing petal, proof that kindness and belief make magic real. Moral: kindness and care bring life and beauty to the world, just like dreams come true when nurtured with love. Thank you for watching.